Just Jay Gonzalez.
Rest hour. Oh, niya na. Baso.
Okay, Jay Gonzalez. We make now caramel latte. Okay. It's now turning around the bar station.
Caramel latte, pre.
Yes, caramel latte, my friend. Harap ka kasi sa ano? Okay. Yes, Jay.
We have to make a perfect skim milk.
Pakita mo pagkatapos Here's our bar. There's the Paisanos bar.
So that we can make design.
Yeah. That's all.
Start.
Let's start already, boss. Sadiq, Yalasura. Pakita mo yung ating perfect foam. The perfect foam. Show to the madlang people, Sadiq.
Caramel latte.
Okay, this is the finished product. This is the caramel latte. Okay, everybody see this.
Hindi naman natakita eh.
Kita yan This is the caramel latte.
Malinaw yan, tanga. Igan mo yan.
Oh, yan nga. Huwag mong galawin kasi lolo ko to. Okay.
Ang magulo yun. I-upload natin yung sa FB.
Nginginig Loko. Wala yan.
Wala yan, blurred yan.
Duraan kita
Oh.
Yan yung ating caramel
Serve
latte.
mo na.
Yan ngayon yung ating finished product.
Ito yung
And our barista, the